Hello there, pilots. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my first official video that will actually be covering something of interest. And of course, as you know, what I will be covering due to the title and the thumbnail of this video, the rainwing biology problem, or more accurately, a problem with a single rainwing that brings me to the question, is this case a special one, or is it the whole tribe? Well, let's find out. However, one notable and outstanding example is Chameleon, aka Pearl's father in his Sora form. A rainwing exiled from his rainforest home due to his creep energy. Chameleon was born with a snout deformity that severely limited his ability to sleep for up to a maximum of 1 hour, not allowing him to absorb enough sunlight and not having the proper amount of sunlight for him to camouflage his scales, so they always stayed in this base coloration. Green. Okay. So they always stayed at the base coloration green. But if we look into the case of Queen Glory of the Rainwings, she spent the first 6 years of her life in a dim cave environment with minimal sunlight, resulting in her scales being less vibrant than that of the rest of her species. A rainwing's ability to change scale pigment relies on two main factors, based on what information we've been given on them as far as the books have provided: sleep and absorption of sunlight, which they typically manage to gain simultaneously. However, Chameleon can only partially benefit from these methods of gaining the proper vitamins with only being able to sleep for an hour at max. So in the very least, he should have been able to take in sunlight as a source. Okay, I stumbled. So in the very least, he should have been able to take in sunlight as a source for the required vitamins and change scale colors. And I also find it worth noting that Chameleon could have resolved his snout deformity issue using Darkstalker's scroll, but chose not to, due to him likely already taking a dislike to rainwings for his mistreatment by them and not wanting to perfect the form of what he hated most. But what can be drawn in conclusion is that there is an inconsistency in the science behind rainwings biology, but not as a whole, and just the certain aspects. Or am I reading too closely in between the lines? But as always, I'll see you soon, pilots.